Good morning this Thursday, the 13th of October. I'm Grady Wolf, a market analyst with Bell Direct. The US markets closed lower on Wednesday and the US dollar retreated as investors digested the Fed's latest FOMC minutes released overnight. For the most part, the FOMC minutes were in line with expectations of further aggressive rate hikes to come by the Fed, but investors also noted that many Fed officials emphasised the cost of taking too little action to cool inflation outweighed the cost of taking too much action. But the Feds are aware of possible consequences of hiking interest rates too rapidly. The Dow Jones Industrials Index fell 0.1%, the Nasdaq closed 0.09% lower, and the S&P 500 ended the day down 0.33%. Also overnight, the FDA approved new Omicron-targeted COVID-19 booster shots from Pfizer and Moderna for administration in children. OPEC Plus has slashed its forecast for global economic growth and crude oil demand in a move to justify its move last week to cut daily oil production by 2 million barrels per day. OPEC Plus said a host of factors, including escalating tensions between Russia and Ukraine, rising inflation, and aggressive action by central banks, were behind its forecasted decline in demand for crude oil. Over in Europe and the UK, markets extended their sell-off into a sixth consecutive session, with Germany's DAX ending the midweek session down 0.4%, while the French CAC lost 0.25%. In the UK, the UK's FTSE 100 was also sold off, ending the day down 0.86%. On the commodities front, Brent crude oil continues its decline this morning, trading 1.84% lower at $92.56 a barrel. Gold is trading 0.54% higher at $1,674 an ounce, and iron ore is trading 0.5% lower at $97.5 a tonne. Ahead of the local trading session, ASX futures are expecting the Australian market to open at 0.27% lower, weighed down by that global sell-off overnight. On the economic data front today, investors will be keeping a very close eye on core inflation data in the US for September, which is out later tonight. Stocks going ex-dividend today include CPT Global and Katana Capital. If you have been thinking about these stocks, it might be worth considering buying in today, as stocks going ex-dividend generally trade lower on the ex-dividend date. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration this Thursday. Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on select harvests following the formation of a pattern over a period of 19 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $5.12 to the range of $5.85 to $6.05, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And Trading Central has also identified a bearish signal on mineral resources following the formation of a pattern over a period of 21 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of $70.12 to the range of $57 to $60 a share, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. I'm Grady Wolf with Bell Direct. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.